just watched the episode. Hey guys, what's up? So just watched the episode right now, and I'm just feeling very happy. Uh, to see the episode. I'm just feeling, surreal again, because it's just you're shooting for so many days, and then you watch your episode, and I'm just feeling very happy. I watched it with mom and dad, so I feel more happy that we watched it together. And all my fans, I hope you guys liked Rani, and we all have been working really hard on the show, and you guys have been motivating me and supporting me since the start. So I really hope that you liked it. Thank you, everyone's writing such good things. Thank you so much. Tanazdi killed it absolutely. Ramadir ji also, he did such a great job. Faman did such a great job. Everybody is doing. So everybody did a great job, and I'm just very happy that everybody liked it. Okay. So yeah, I was saying that I really hope that you guys liked it, because everyone did a great job according to me. Everybody has worked, they've given their 100%, and I'm so happy to watch the episode. So just let's hope that the shows does well and everybody likes it. I am changing my username to Arani. Oh, so natural acting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. This really means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. Awesome show. Nice show. Your acting is just okay. Nice show. Your acting is just superb. Way of talking. I just love the show. Thank you so much. It's not 7 yet in UAE. I'm so excited to watch. Oh wow, I'm just so happy that you are going to watch it now. But yeah, so of course it's teamwork, not only the actors but all the crew, and every single person who works 12 hours every day, just to make the show, you guys like the show. So that's why. But yeah, I'm very happy that it has like everyone is liking it and everyone is saying such good things. It really I'm very happy. बहुत थैंक यू जितने भी मेरे फैंस हैं, जिन्होंने सब मतलब जितने भी लोग हैं जो अपना टाइम भी आएगा को इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं. बहुत धन्यवाद. आप प्लीज़ ऐसे ही रानी और अपना टाइम भी आएगा को ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहिए. और रानी की और भी हरकतें और भी अलग अलग चीज़ें आपको दिखने को मिलेगी. जैसे वो जो लहजा है विच आई वाज सेइंग, द वे ऑफ टॉकिंग. रानी टॉक्स इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. आई वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट. आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क, एंड वी रियली वांटेड, I really wanted it to sound very natural, and I'm just trying my best. That's it. It's a new thing for me, so I'm very excited and very happy at the same time. So thank you so much that you guys have supported me every time I come up with a new project. And yeah, this is a big thing for me, of course. So thank you. So please let me know your reviews. How are you liking Rani? How are you liking the show? How are you liking the Veer and Rani's meet, and Tanazdi, the way she has actually killed it and aag laga di unhone for sure. Ramadir ji is like so amazing. I have to tell you, he's so good. Ramadir ji, when we did the phone cut scene, we don't usually we don't actually do the phone call, but it just looks so real. And whenever I do scenes with him, it just feels amazing. And everyone has worked hard. Everybody has given 100%. So yeah, thank you so much for all the nice comments. Thank you. We'll see. I'll watch it in sometime as soon as ZTV posts it on YouTube. Oh, all the fans who are not from India, We have to figure out a way how you guys are gonna watch it. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and I'll let you know what way you can watch it. So I think this app Z5 will be available for you guys. Just please try it, Zainab and everyone who's outside, who don't live in India. So even you know, if you miss, अगर आप मिस कर देते हैं हमारा एपिसोड, अगर आप कहीं बाहर है, आई जस्ट रियली होप यू डोंट डू दैट, बट इफ़ यू बाई चांस मिस, यू कैन आई थिंक वॉच ऑन Z5 or something. So all the guys who are not, you know, in India, just try Z5. Rani is literally such a bubbly character, what we're loving so much. Really excited to watch more of it. Thank you, can't wait to see the next episode. Thank you so much. Tomorrow's episode is also going to be very interesting. There's a lot of, today you will see, like tomorrow, कल बहुत ही अलग चीज़ें होने वाली है, like आज से. So yeah, I'm very excited for you to see that. So yeah, let's just hope you all you know, enjoy it. So my sweet parents got cake for me. We're gonna cut it together. You wanna see that? वो मेरे लिए केक लाया है because अपना टाइम भी आएगा launch today. So we're gonna cut it together, right? Cake. खाओगे तोड़ते आवे. I'm from Myanmar, and in here it is available to watch, but in my city can't watch because it's not available too far. So yeah, try Z5. I'm sure that you will like watch it. It's like 6 days a week. Yeah, Monday to Saturday. Yay! Sit back. Come. Sit. Hello. Say hi. Hello. No licky. Huh? Okay, so we're gonna cut the cake together. Happy ADBA to us. Happy ADBA to us. Happy first episode to us. Happy first episode to us. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for, you know, watching the first episode. And बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है आपने रानी को शो शुरू होने से पहले, एंड आई होप कि शो शुरू होने के बाद भी आप बहुत सारा प्यार दें हमारे शो को और रानी को. So thank you so much guys for watching the episode and giving such amazing comments. Lots of love. Don't forget to watch अपना टाइम भी आएगा on ZTV Monday to Saturday at 7 PM only on ZTV. Yeah, that's what she's saying. You want cake? You won't get cake. Not good for your health. You will get your chocolate. No, you can't do that. You have to talk to them, bro. Okay, so we're gonna say bye. We'll say bye. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our night. I can't say bye. You don't want me to say bye. Okay, so we're gonna say bye. Tata. No. अच्छा, go to mama. जाओ, mama बस से जाओ. So guys, tata. See you guys super soon.